Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I'm Ipod. Now I have this tip to be able to cut a rope, mech rate, browsing or other type of string without the need for scissors or knife. Either because we are camping and we do not wear a razor, or we are at some children's party and we want to cut a mech rate but nobody finds the scissors, or because of any other situation that may occur to them or present. And we will achieve this with the same rope we want to cut, so we see how to do it. We take in this case the mech rate that does not matter if it is plastic or of a string type, and we measure that we need so much, and we mark it or calculate more or less where we want it to be able to locate the part where we are going to cut it. Then we put the end of the mecate on our right foot, and the other piece of the same under our left foot or vice versa, taking into account that the part we want to cut must remain in the middle as shown on the screen. And doing this, we take a part of the rest of the mecate and pass it under the part that we will cut and hold with one hand one end of the cable and the other end with the other hand, as if we were going to pull. And here what we are going to do is that we are going to apply a movement up and down to cause such friction that the rope can be cut. Does not have to be very forced, but either very soft. The point is that it is continuous, and as you can see is cut quite fast and without much effort, as can be seen in the video. And we will have the piece of mech rate of the size we want, and without using scissors, knife, or any knife to do so. We can do the same with other types of strings, as in this case with some hostesses if we need it. We took the bajeta, and as we did with the mecate we measure it, or if we want to mark the exact part to make us the size we want, we step on the end of this with the right foot and the other with the left foot or vice versa. And we must be careful to leave the part that we want to cut into the middle part. We took the rest of the whole or other string and made the same movement we made with the mecate, up and down constantly. And as you can see, it is cut in the same way and with the same ease as the mecate, and so we already have the piece of rope we need to use it in what we want. They can also cut the mecate, the whole or other type of string, in this case the mecate with the whole, and will be cut in a very simple way, as you can see in the video, and with almost no effort. As they could see, we can cut different types of strings without the need to use scissors or some type of knife, either because we do not have at hand because we walk camping or walking. We do not find our scissors, and we need it urgently, or simply because we already know that there are other ways to do it, and we like to cut it. Be for the reason you want, but I think this tip will be very helpful one day. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances. Give you like on the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very much utility. Thanks for seeing, and hopefully this advice has served you.